It is 10 to 6 in the morning, and I am about ready to head out to, where is it that I'm going? I think it's Delhi. We're in the car ready to go. Yeah, on board in summer, managed to get a seat without a window. Now in good old Kolkata. Okay, good morning, and I'm here on the beautiful city of Kolkata. Originally called Calcutta by the British, I'm here on a hot May day, and I have some official work that I got to take care of. I'm going to be here today, spend the night, and then leave tomorrow back to home, good old home, Mumbai. And here I have all my paperwork that I need to take in today. And over here is my trusted bag, and I generally try to keep everything inside the bag, including my watch and stuff, so that I don't lose anything during the day. Kolkata was called Calcutta by the British, but apparently the locals always called it Kolkata. And I'm having breakfast with the twins behind me. This guy and that guy, and they seem to be looking over me, judging me maybe. I don't know. And so people ask me, how do you like traveling? And I don't think it's that bad at all. I get a change of scene a couple of days a week, and it's quite enjoying actually. Different people, different places. Coffee, built for kings. Basically built for kings who can't wake up in the morning, that's what. Right, so I've started up my day. First thing I like to do is just sit for a few minutes and plan what's going to happen. Think of the entire week, what's happened before, what's going to happen forward, go through my checklist, plan of action, talk to the people that I need to talk to, and then take it forward. How do you like my glasses? Yeah, how do you like me now? Oh, my laptop's not starting. I'm in the middle of Kolkata. I have no IT support. And it's going to be a problem because I got like 30 guys I think right now waiting for me, and I need access to whatever is going on. So Mr. Shah, there's always that one name that you cry out for help, who's the IT guru guy. He's not here, he's thousands of kilometers away. So let me just get back to this and I'll get back to you later. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, it says welcome, and the thing's going round and round and round and round, and just taking its time because I think it knows that I'm under pressure right now, and it's just taking its time. Voila, it opened up. Yeah. Time and tide wait for none. Oh my love, only time and time goes by so slowly. It's the end of the day, and I have had 26 people come meet me today. It's been a day in Kolkata. That's what they say. Okay, and it's been a long day and it's time to pack up, so here we go. Pens, stapler, all forget this. I did that once and I got stranded because the next day I had to go to Chennai and do a training all by myself, and this little thing, nobody would have gotten me over there. This little gizmo keeps my phone charged all the time so that I'm never out of charge. And finally, you thought that office life was boring. Yes, good evening. What number is... Okay, sorry, I think I dialed the wrong number. Oops. Let me try them again. I need to tell the reception to basically wake me up at 5:50 because my flight is at 8:25. Takes me half an hour from over here, and then I'll be at the airport just to make sure I'm on time. I'm gonna leave it early, and to get my bills ready at around 6:10 when I check out, so that I have no delay in picking up my cab. I've already called an Ola at 6:20 to pick me up. I keep those safety margins a little bit so that just in case there's a cancellation or something to that effect, nobody suffers, especially me. So let me call him again. Let me try room service again. I feel like having lime soda, salt lime soda.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Room service, is it possible for you to send up salted lime soda, please? That's correct. Alright, okay, bye-bye. Yeah, I want to keep the calories down. Eating too much at hotels can really make you put on the pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask him for the salted lime soda, and then I'm going to add some of the sweetener that's here. Now sweeteners generally could, if you're on a keto diet, they would help with pound loading, rather weight loading. But I'm going to have just one of that. I should be okay on my carb content, is what I'm thinking. I'm not sure. Here's my lime juice. I'll check it over here. There's one of those in there. This. Now. Headed to the Kolkata Airport Lounge. Delicious.